Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Naturally Nappy here, and if you're new here, what's up? Welcome to my corner of the universe. And to be a part of the Nap family, all you have to do is subscribe and hit the bell so that you could be here for my next video. And to be nice, of course, just hit the like button and leave some comments so that we can have some discussions and ask me any questions that you have. And then for my old subscribers, welcome back. I appreciate you guys tuning in for my video, and I hope you guys stick around for my next one. Yes, guys, so as you see, my hair is half, 3/4 done. My hair is 3/4 done, and I'm just coming here to show you guys how I do the remaining of my twists. I did these twists using Miche Beauty's products and using a little method that I learned from Brianna Lynn. Hope I'm pronouncing that correct, if it's Lene or Lynn. But I learned a method from her in order to make my twist look a little bit more defined, and I guess it's just helping it look a little shinier as well. So if you'd like to see how I do that, just stay tuned. Yes guys, so this method seems to elongate my twist a little better rather than the traditional twist of just, grabbing two even sections of course, and just roping them down, where I would get a lot more shrinkage. Versus this one, I take the two twists, and I'll show you guys this method, but I take the two twists, but at the same time I'm twisting those individual sections to get a tighter rope, and that seemed to elongate my twist a little better. It's either that or my hair is growing. I think it's that one. And I will show you guys a clip as well from the last time I did my twist, and how they laid and how long they looked. But check me out, y'all. I'm liking this. So I get right into the section. I sectioned them into 8 sections. A traditional 4 section, but I divided those individual 4 sections into 2. So that created 8 sections. So I'm down to these remaining 2 sections here. So I'll just be doing those on camera versus doing my entire head, which would have been pretty painful for you guys because it took me quite a while. So yeah, I already put leave-in conditioner on my hair and all my sections, so all I'm going to follow up with is the Quench Hydrating Twisting Butter. Yes. So I'm basically using only these 2 products. Yes. So I already used this one, and now I'll be adding this to my section. And I don't add it to all my sections, or I don't add them individually as I do the twist. I add it to the entire section here, and then I do my twist. And if I feel like my hair has sucked up the product while doing my twist, I'll add more as needed, but I don't add a lot. I don't want to weigh my hair down too much, but at the same time I want my hair to be hydrated during my protective styling, which I am super excited about because I love you guys, but I'm tired of doing my hair. I'm tired of doing my hair. So now that I have added quench to my hair, and I feel like I have massaged it in there thorough enough, I will now begin making small sections. And I'm not using any styling tools. I'm just kind of taking a guesstimate on how small or large I want my sections to be, and then twisting away. So now that I have made my section here, still massaging this product into my hair just in case it's sitting on top, but I will get 2 even sections. 2 even sections. Okay, that's not even. But we're gonna get it there. Okay, that's better. So 2 even sections. And then I will wrap it here, and I will immediately twist. Immediately twist. And that seems to give me a tighter root, as well as a more defined look. And I just continue that on down my twist. I don't twist with both hands because I don't want it too tight, but I decide on to do it with one hand and carry it on down. And once I have completed the entire twist, I get down to my small section and I just twist that around my finger to get a little coil. Okay, a little coil on the end. Yay. So yes, I will show you guys another section. And I try my best not to borrow, as well as not try to make it too neat. I kind of want the messy look because it makes my hair look fuller. So again, I massage my fingers down my hair to ensure that the product is massaged thoroughly into my hair, and making sure that on my ends as well, coating my ends. I take 2 even sections. And then I immediately start to twist. Take that end and swirl it around my fingers. And that twist is done. But guys, as you can see, this is a simple style. It isn't the easiest on time, but as far as the difficulty of actually doing the style, there isn't any complexity to it. I just grab a section that I feel is adequate to the other size twist and twist those up and keep it moving. I don't use any hair tools except for this clip that you see to keep my hair out of my way, and I think that was it. But other than that, I just got me a little rhythm going and got these sections sectioned off and kept twisting on through. I did notice that I messed them up a little bit, but you'll see eventually where I go back and fix the ones that I messed up to make sure that they match all of the twists in my hair, as well as what I was basically trying to show you guys. But overall, I love doing the style. I love taking the time in a day to be able to do these mini twists in my hair that will last me almost a month, and I don't have to touch my hair. I can style these twists the way I want. I can grease them, wash them, all those things I would normally do to my regular hair, except comb it, of course. But nevertheless, this is an easy protective style that I like to do to my hair a few times in a year, just to keep my hands out of my hair, as well as give my hair a break from all the manipulation that I do to it, as well as give it some time to just breathe, soak in some moisture, and all that other fun stuff. So yeah, guys, that's really it. Alright, so this section is done. Looking full and juicy. Let's do this last section here and we are done. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention if I hadn't already. I do try to do my sections on a slant because I noticed if you do them more squared, you will see my scalp more. But if I do them on an angle, it gives me a more fuller look. And you can tell as the way I grab the hair, it almost makes a triangle, but it isn't the neatest triangles. It's just zigzagging my way up my head, if that's the right words to use, up my head to create these sections. But once I pull my hair back, it gives a more fuller effect to my hairstyle, and you won't see my scalp as much. I'll have to do a few of them over in this section specifically because I didn't twist them in the opposite direction. So when I did it, I'm supposed to go that way so that it can give the rope-like effect, as you can see here. But then I didn't, and some of them look like it looks weird, and I don't like it. So I'm gonna go back through and do some over, probably not all because that'll take too much time, but I'm gonna finish this one so that you can see the difference between them when you go the wrong way. Because if you go the way that I messed up on, you might as well not twist. You might as well just do a regular 2-strand twist. So you can compare this one with this one. And as you can tell, this one by my pinky is a little bit tighter and neater versus this one, who's still springy, which means that I twisted it the wrong way. And when I take it down, you can see it puff up. So that's just a regular twist that'll give me the defined look, but not the rope twist that I'm looking for. So I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna finish this up, and then I'll be back to give you my final look. I'm so excited. I don't have to do my hair. I tried to find as many as the ones that I messed up because I'm a part-time perfectionist and I didn't want to see it later on, so I'd rather fix it now. But check me out. I love it. I could do some side looks. How fierce do I look? I could do some up looks. Look, I can get my dreads right. I could do some ponytails so I could look childish. Or I could just leave it down. So you guys let me know in the comments, what do you think about this look? I'm loving it. What are you guys thinking? I don't know. I think it's a must. I think it's a must. If you don't want to do nothing else to your hair, take the time out to do some nice twist on your hair and leave them in and let it go. But I'm gonna not ramble on. Thank you guys for tuning in for this video. You already know I love Miche Beauty's products. So I decided to go with those products because they were thicker products, more moisturizing products. I usually use this Kinky Tresses products, but I wanted to switch it up and try something different this time. So don't think I don't love Kinky Tresses. I love you guys dearly, but I just wanted to try something different for this time. So thank you guys for tuning in for this video. Please make sure that you like, you comment, you subscribe, you share, you hit the bell so that you can be here for the next video. Comment down below something cute, let me know. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.